Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to show you how you can find advisee information in Outlook 365 on your PC. I prefer for you and I to download Outlook 365 onto our cell phones. It's easier to access that information, and I have a video on that. I will post a link below, but this video is meant to show you how to find the same information in Outlook 365 on your desktop. So we're in Outlook 365 webmail right now. I want to click on calendar. This is the week that was just completed, and all of these that say Gen College, these were appointments that I had with advisees. And if I hovered over it, it would tell me the name of the advisee. If I clicked on it, it would tell me the email and the phone number of the advisee. Well, so that I don't compromise anyone's private information, let's skip back a week. Whenever I started messing with this, I made an appointment with myself. So if I click on this, notice that the advisee, who was me, is shown with email and phone number. So this is where you would get the information so that you can call your advisee at the appointed time. This is how your advising appointment would normally look. It would look like this Gen College. As I said, this was a fake appointment that I made with myself just to see how it worked. You will receive a notification email prior to your advising bookings. I believe they're either 30 minutes or an hour ahead of time. So someone asked me that today. How do you know when you have an advising appointment? Well, you will get a notification in your email prior to the time of the appointment.